Happy birthday! We are doing Capricorn nails today. I'm gonna make a gold tone. That's why I'm choosing silicone because it's dry flexible and it doesn't break. Now I'm using black glitter to scoop out the foundation to anchor the horn. Now let's make a quick sketch using white art gel. Then we can go in and mold it with white clay dough. And I'm using a variety of tools like my engraver, my silicone tool, overbrush and alcohol, and X-Acto knife. Remember, you can also paint on silicone gel and clay doughs. I'm using my stained glass gel number 8 by the way, just to enhance its aquatic water sign. I'm also taking my clear silicone to make a fish tails. Now glue it to the pinkies, then use pigment base to make your white ombre. Top it over with stained glass gel number 8. Apply a crystal right at the gap, then top coat. Now I'm using clear texture gel to finish my embossed design. And there it is. I wish you a special birthday month to all my Capricorn friends. Until next time. Bye.